In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Clipchamp Export Not Working. So, in case you have made your video inside Clipchamp, went to Export button, and then tried to export, and then you simply get this error over here I got online, so we can't export your video, you can try exporting again, or if this problem persists, contact our support team for help. With the only options are try again and go to page, that you can fix this, hopefully, with the method I will show you now. So what you have to do over here basically is you have to eliminate the part of the video that is causing you trouble. And the easiest way you can do this, well, it's not really an easy way, however, it's the only way I and many other people have found, is that what you can try first is to actually find the part that's kind of not correct, okay? So the part that's pretty much corrupted and disallowing you to export the video. So what you have to do, the easiest way is to cut your video into 2 or 3 parts, maybe even 4, and then try deleting certain parts of your video and seeing if the export is possible without that part of the video. So let's say I want to put this into 2 pieces. I want to go here in the middle and press this split button a few times so everything splits. What you then want to do is kind of delete the second part of the video and then try exporting this. If the export starts, it means that the issue likely lies in the second part of the video we've just deleted. And then after that, if basically you still get the issue, it means that the error is likely in this first part of the video. So then try pressing Ctrl and Z to undo your changes, and then see if it allows you to export only the second part, only the second part of the video over here. If it allows you to, it's the same process earlier. That means that it was a problem in the first part of the video, but if it doesn't, it's the problem in this part of the video. You can do that multiple times with multiple video parts and try to identify the kind of misfile with the process of elimination, okay? It's a bit annoying, however, it does work eventually. I know it's not the best fix, but it will work. So once you do this, I actually recommend you create a separate file, so you copy the file, because in case something goes wrong, you don't lose the entire edit. And then once you've done that, you can also try one more thing. If none of that works, what you can do is simply split your video into parts. So let's say you make a copy of the video, and then in one copy of this project, you wanna split it in half, and then simply delete the other half, export this one, and then in the other copy, export the second part. So you'll basically cut the video into half, and then you will export each and every single part, and then combine them together again, and make it one video. So people done that, and it worked for them, and hopefully it will work for you too. So I hope this was understandable, and I hope this will help you out. Unfortunately, there's, as of right now, no other fixes I could find on this. The only thing I found was this I just told you, and apparently it worked for a lot of people, so hopefully it will work for you as well. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.